Thanks for joining us. You can't beat cup football, proper knockout cup football. The stakes are raised and so is the excitement level when you know that sometime, somehow, one of these teams is going out.
Well, that's what the fans love, don't you think? They just love all this. No if, buts or maybes. We will know. One in, one out.
Here we go. That's pretty good covering. Coming away with it now. And a straight throw. He can look after himself when the ball's in the air. One back possession. Ambitious effort. He was trying to adjust his body shape there, I think. He was never really balanced.
Well, I'm not surprised he's missed the target there. He really had no space to work in at all.
Needed to snuff that out. He's kept it in. Good vision there, found an unmarked man. Plenty of players committed to this attack. He's been put under pressure here. Needs some luck from there. Kept it out!
Keeper's made a good save there.
Laid out by the keeper. Oh, that's what you call a pass.
Oh, this defence are protecting their goal like it was made of gold.
Carrying it out of defence. Well in. Can he get past him? It's there! The crowd going absolutely wild! A goal that means everything to them!
What a boost to his confidence. His first goal in the tournament.
They won't settle for a one-goal lead, but it will do to be going on with. That was an important goal. He again gets his first goal, and it's 1-0 here. Slice of fortune there with that pass. We wanted that a bit more than the attacker. Pass back to the keeper. Did well there. Now, can he get through? He's got this defence well organised, the manager. Can't be dispossessed like that. Kicked away. He's made some shooting space. Couldn't direct it.
You cannot pass up opportunities like that. It's a fabulous chance and he's missed it.
Is it a good one? Had to be alert there, the goalkeeper. Thrown back into play by the keeper. Starting to get on the ball and pass it around. Good use of the ball. Important tackle. And that's cleared away. He is a good header of the ball. He's got options here. Oh, it's there!
You know, when it hits the post like that, the defenders have got to react. They didn't. They paid the penalty.
The ball could just as easily have come bouncing out, but he deserved his luck. It was a well-directed effort. That's half-time. We'll be back for the second half. It's 2-0 here.
Chances, and the finishing, well, it's top class.
Now, what we're going to see in this second half, more of the same or something completely different? We shall see. Hardly space or time to breathe out there. Can he finish? That will be a throw-in. Good header. Trying to find some space. Oh, can he get a shot in? The nearest of touches did the trick. Out it goes, it's a corner. Got his head to the ball. And he just couldn't quite get the header on target.
If you're a goal scorer, you have to work the goalkeeper. You have to take the chances. He didn't make the most of that.
They had the chance there to extend their lead. Why is he not giving a foul? Oh, I see, he's playing advantage. That's another fine tackle. I'm trying to think when I last saw a player who's got such good dribbling ability. And that'll be a free kick. The referee took a dim view of the challenge. Let's fly, and that's hit the post. Scores!
This is what you call a lead. A real comfortable lead. If you're a coach, sit back and enjoy.
Well, who'd be a goalkeeper? Nobody on a day like this. So they'll have a throw-in. And not one, but two changes being made there by the manager. Crucial tackle. Out the ball goes. Nice header. Well, the pass has found its man. Keeping the ball here. He can go past a man. Can't hold it.
Well, that's a wonderful opportunity, but the keeper's made a save.
Corner kick. That's going to be a goal kick. pass forward. One or two appeals, but the referee's weighed play on there. Now possibilities here, he's got a chance. Nice long throw by the keeper. Decent header. It was a tackle that had to be made. Timed the challenge well. And he finds the ball with his feet. You've got to work for your space in a game like this. Give it a foul. Has a go. And 3 minutes to be added on here. Well read. He's taken the defender on. Oh, chance here. Fisted away by the keeper. I think there was maybe just a bit too much pace on the ball to try that, but he had a go.
They do say in football you deserve a bit of luck, and maybe that's what the goalkeeper had. He's made a brilliant save, but he was helpless for the second attempt. And what's he done? He's missed it.
That's it, they're through. Results are everything in the cup, and they've got the right result here. It's a moment to savour.